Morning guys, I just wanted to show you this very quick and easy fix that we can all do. My rear brake light on my car is gone, so I'm going to change it. This time of year the brake lights do seem to go quite often. Obviously we've got a lot of change in temperature and the brake lights are something that is used quite a lot, so they do tend to go. The manufacturers do actually design the cars so they're very quick and easy to get to and change, and I'm just going to show you that process now. So as you can see, this is the problem. We have one brake light working and the other one is off. So I'm going to quickly show you what we've got to do. So inside your car, you should find some kind of window. There's always a window in modern cars that you can get into your brake lights, because like I say, they are designed to be changed quite often. What I'm going to do now is really straightforward, and I think everybody should have a go at it. There's certainly nothing that can hurt you in there, and it's all quite sort of straightforward to do. So we have a little button there that we open and it opens the flap. This flap comes right off so I can get it out of the way. So as we look in the back there, we've got our first aid kit. We take that out of the way, and I don't know if you can see, you've got the cluster. This is the cluster here. So on mine, you can take out just squeeze it, and you can take out the connector to it, which just makes life a little bit easier. Then we look in here, we've got a little flap there each side, and just squeeze it like that, and the whole cluster comes out, and you can see the bulb there. A little bit fiddly, but definitely doable. So you can see the bulb there. The bulb will twist out one way or another. There you go, just twist anti-clockwise, quarter of a turn, and out it comes. And you can see the black on that bulb there. If you have a look at the filament inside, you know, I probably can't get it on here. Yeah, I can't really get it on there. There is a small break in that filament. So I'm just going to change it. Basically went to Halfords, explained to them what car it was, and they give me the bulbs. They literally cost about £2.50, and that was for two. So it's not an expensive fix. If you get them to do it, it's about 15-16 quid. So yeah, quite a big saving there for literally 5 minutes work. Like I say, got these from Halfords. I'm going to try and put that back in. Literally, so this will go in clockwise. Just try and line it up, a little bit awkward with one hand. But there you go. Yep, so that's in. You can sort of feel it clicking. If we get the cluster back in now, let's just test it actually. If I put the electrical connection back in there, again a little bit fiddly with one hand, but there you go. There you go, we can see that the light is working now. So I'll take that back off. We'll get the cluster back in again, fiddly, but it's definitely doable. There you go, clipped in. So a little bit fiddly, but you know, literally that took me seconds. So we now put on the electrical connection. You can see that the lights come on now, and then we have a working brake light. Put everything back. Flap back, lock it up. Got two bulbs in there. The packet, so we've got a spare. That is the job done. So we have got two working brake lights. So listen, I hope that helps. You know, in the winter they do go quite a lot. It is quite a common thing. So guys, that's really how quick and simple it is. It's something anybody could do. It's a little bit fiddly, just persevere with it. But just a thought, one of the things you can do to check your brake lights, if you haven't got anybody to check them for you, is when you're out and about, just have a look in the reflection on shop windows or things that are parked behind you. If they're reflective, you can usually look back and see your brake lights, whether they're working or not. So it's always worth doing, especially in these winter days where we got dark mornings and dark evenings and not a lot of light. It is a safety issue, so hopefully, you know, that'll help somebody out, save you a few quid and keep us all safe. Hope you enjoyed the video. Cheers guys.